Ladies and gentlemen, we know a lot of you are looking for the right exhaust solution. And for some of you, that may be a Catback. It may be a Catback with a muffler. It may be a full turbo back exhaust system, including a downpipe. But we want to try to give you as much information as we can regarding the different setups that may yield a particular sound that you'd be interested in for your car. We have run this setup, the Milltek race exhaust, on our MK8 GTI, but we didn't get any video of it. So today we've got a 40th anniversary MK8 GTI with a stock downpipe that is going to get a Milltek race exhaust. And we're gonna show you how quick and easy it is to get it installed and then go over how it sounds. Because on this car, simply adding a Catback will dramatically change the sound of it. And adding a downpipe to that will increase the sound even further. So this may be the perfect tone that you're looking for. And if it is, go ahead and take a look on our website. We've got everything you'll need. So, on the MK8 GTI, the exhaust install is very similar to the MK7s. So it's very simple. We've got one clamp that connects the exhaust to the downpipe, two braces underneath that, well, actually probably only need to remove one of them. And then we've got two hangers here that will unbolt, and we've got one more hanger that lives right over here that we just need to unhook from the exhaust. The old one will come out, the new one will go in, we'll get our tips adjusted, and that'll be it. That's a wrap.
What the